everyone, it's Shelly from McPherson Arts and Crafts, and I'm here with Brenda and Shelly Marie, and they're going to introduce our new ball jointed dolls.
Well guys, we actually got these about 3 years ago, and there's more than what you see here. We'll introduce those a little bit later. But we have a plan in the works, and we've been sitting on this for about 3 years now, and we just felt really motivated to introduce something new during this time, you know, during what
nothing's being produced.
Nothing's being produced right now. There was a vinyl shortage. Yeah, it's just been one thing after another. So I thought, oh heck, you know, you never feel ready for these things. So I decided, let's just do it. So today we're going to introduce our first rendition, I guess you'd say, of the ball jointed dolls. It's kind of like a big Barbie doll. Like, this is an 18-inch doll. We have 4 different heads at the moment. We've named the this cutie here, her name's Twyla. And then the second one is called Celeste. The third one you see here is, I got a cheat sheet here, Morgan. And the last head that we have so far is called Cillian. Okay, and Shelly's going to explain a little more about Cillian later. And here's the body. It's all hard, it's a hard vinyl, just like you would see it with a Barbie doll. And of course the neck and the shoulders and the hips are all ball jointed. So we've been sitting around wondering what to do with these and thinking, oh man, we better get some wigs, and you know, how are we gonna present this to y'all? And then we decided, you know what? You guys are the artists. You know where your favorite suppliers are for things like wigs. And we had sent a few off to some other artists to try out, and Shanine Bean came up with a fantastic rendition of, she did a couple like clowny kind of hairs, and they were really fun. And they'll be on our website. And Shelly did this, what, about 2 years ago?
Oh yeah.
Looks a little bit
resembled like a porcelain doll.
But look at the detail in the painting that she's done here. And of course,
you know, by Genesis paints. So this takes Genesis paints beautifully. No problem.
Genesis or air dry as well. Air dry goes on. It's got that kind of, you know, that it's the hard orangey vinyl. So air dry would work really good with this as well. And you would have to have a wig. You can't root the hair, obviously, because the head's too hard.
Well, you can root a little bit.
Oh, really?
They do soften a bit in the ovens. So when they get soft, I've done a half a wig, and I'll explain to you why you need a half a wig. And I've rooted some colored hair in the front, because I'm into fantasy, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about that.
Okay, so we're going to cut this video off because Shelly's telling us we're making them way too long. So, and then we'll come back again, and Shelly's going to talk a little more about the description of how to put them together. Okay, thanks guys.
Bye.
Thank you, ladies.
Bye.